Welcome to another edition of the Grilling Oasis, where we relax, chill, and grill. A part of being our family is getting some positive thoughts. So we're going to be hooking you up in the video with a couple positive thoughts. And hey, stick around for some future videos. We're going to have a quote for the day that's going to start up real soon. So that's going to be real nice for you, fam. Hey, but today we're going to do some hamburgers. But I'm going to show you what the grill looks like before we start. Maybe you had something like this with your grill. I'm going to show you how to fix it. All right, stay tuned. So you see that, fam? So we got some rust on our grill. You're like, oh no, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to let the fire burn that rust up. And actually, when we start to clean it off, some of the grease is going to oil it over from the cleaner, my cleaning brush. So I'm going to show you how that works. All right, fam. See our trusty fire starter. See that heat? See that same heat we about to put over in here. Get this rust off of there. All right, so let's do it. All right, so I always, fam, use a welding glove because when you do that, you don't burn your hand. See that? That welding glove. You need a welding glove. That way, when you put your heat and stuff over there, you won't get burned. All right, so we're gonna put our coals right there. Got our coals on there. All right. So again, we got the welding glove. You can pick it up like that. So you can move it around, keep you from having to even them out that way. All right, so fam, we're gonna stick our grate on top of that like that. We're gonna let it heat up a little bit for about, gonna give it about a minute and a half to heat up. And in the meantime, what I'm gonna show you is what we're gonna use. We have our trusty brush here. Now, look at the brush here. You see that? See, that's old oil and grease that you used before. Let me put it on the plate so you can see it. See that? That's old grease oil. That's what you're gonna use to coat your grill. You see that? And then look at the back of that. See that? All that came from the grill. You got a natural cleaner here. See? Now look at that. Look at that. Let me clean it up. Let's get this rust off of there. So we're gonna go across it like that. We got this part. Yeah. Go across. You see how the rust is coming off? The rust is coming off. Now, as it heats up, all of that old oil and stuff that you had previously is gonna start to coat. See how it's coating? See how it's coating? See that? No problem. All right. We're gonna clean it up and let it coat. And at the end, you see that? See how that oil coming off on there? That oil is coating your grease. See that? Oil coating your grease. See that there? No problem. And then you got this part. Boom. You just go across. See that? Very simple. Don't let no rust scare you now. We're not gonna cook on a rusty grill. We're gonna get it ready to be able to hold meat. We're gonna get the rust off and coat it at the same time, using stuff we already got. We don't have to go buy nothing. Look at that. See how that grease come off on there? See that? Grease come off on it. No problem. See that there? See it? See how the grease coming off? See how it's coating? See how it's coating? I ain't doing nothing but going back and forth. It's removing the rust and coating it at the same time. Yeah. No problem. No problem. See that, fam? See that? So at the same time, that heat is purifying this grill, and you cleaning it off. Cleaning it off. All right, let's go across. Let's keep going across. No problem. No problem. Now we about ready for the meat. All right, fam. While we let the grill get ready, I just wanted to give you guys a positive quote for the day. And I read this quote. I thought about it. I said, this is a good quote. It goes like, they laugh at me because I'm different. I laugh at them because they're all the same. What is that telling you, fam? That's telling you, be who you are. We all unique. We don't have to be like nobody else to be happy within ourselves. People laughing at you because you're different, embrace it. Because you're unique. We're all individuals. We got good qualities about ourselves, and you need to be happy with the qualities you have. So while they laughing at you for being different, you laughing at them because they all the same. They can't be different like you. Embrace that, fam. Let that marinate. All right, let's get back to this grill. So we got our wood on there. I got some mesquite and pecan on there. Gives a good flavor to beef. That's what we're doing, burgers. So don't be afraid to mix woods. Some people think you can't mix wood. Yes, you can. Mix whatever woods you like on there, as long as it's good for that particular meat. All right, so we're gonna put these burgers on there. So I got the burgers on there, not directly on the fire. We're gonna put some hot dogs on there too. So let's put them on there right quick. All right, fam. We got our meat on there. Y'all see it in the rust? Any rust? No rust, fam. Hey, that's because we took care of it. All right, we're gonna let the meat cook. All right, fam, we're gonna let them burgers cook up, and then we're gonna take them off the grill. Hey, listen, I hope you enjoyed the show on how to make a rusty grate work for us. We ain't gotta go buy another one. We can make it work with the stuff we got. Hope you enjoyed the positive thought. Hey, leave me a comment in this comment section if you got something you want to share with the fam. Hey, we'll definitely put it on there. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you ain't already done so. Hey, we'll see you next time on the Grilling Oasis. Peace.